So you made a cat girl mad, but good news loser, you can fix this. Instead of a cheesy line, how about some cheesy rice? Today on Isekai Kitchen, we're making Senshi's risotto from Delicious in Dungeon. We'll be following his step-by-step instructions, so let's get started.
Hold on, are those little feet it sprouted?
Looks like we're starting by separating the walking mushroom head from the rest of its body. Jesus Christ, girl, sharpen your knife. Okay, now you're just being cruel. Oops, broke his backbone. Tee. You can also use regular mushrooms like shiitake, baby bella, and shimeji.
Probably my imagination.
Slice up the mushroom caps, making sure to chop the roots off and wash them beforehand. In this shot, we can also see some of the mushrooms are cubed. First slice, then chop into matchsticks, then chop again to get cubes. Why did I do that? I'm a dumbass.
Place a pot inside the magic circle. Toss some butter in to melt it.
Place a pot inside the magic circle on medium heat. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter,
Fry a few garlic cloves.
4 cloves of garlic, almost lost my thumb there, then fry for 30 seconds.
Then add rice.
Use unwashed or else it'll become sticky quickly. I used 240 grams of it.
Add in mushrooms and seasoning.
No match cut for me. Lower the heat so that we don't get burnt eyebrows. Add 2 teaspoons of chicken MSG and half a cup of white wine. I just use whatever's cheap. And give it a quick stir.
Pour in water.
I
let it
deadass
simmer for a
thought he
while.
was peeing, so heat up some chicken broth and add enough to cover up all your problems. Bring the pot to a simmer and cook for 10 to 15 minutes or until the liquid level is low. Stir occasionally to prevent the rice from burning. This is definitely a non-traditional way of cooking risotto, but in Senshi we trust. Give it a taste. If it's not done, add a little bit more broth and cook it down. Be sure to stir often. Since doneness is subjective, I remove mine from the heat when the rice is about al dente, and the residue heat will cook it a little bit more.
I could put some cheese in.
Gotta love me some cheese. Use whatever you like. This is Parmigiano Reggiano, which I had to Google to spell. Pepper, salt, and give it a good stir. Oh, you know it's good with that moist sound. Hey, is that you in a bottle? Oh, silly me, it's just extra virgin olive oil. We just need a splash, and we're ready to serve.
It's ready.
And there we have it, Senshi's risotto. But how does it taste? Oh my god, it's so good. It's flavorful yet also very gentle since it doesn't have any fatty meat in it. The mushrooms bring textures and umami while the cheese adds some really nice nuttiness. I just can't get enough. This is truly a dish made by the legendary Senshi. Every grain is a speck of happiness. Since I'm out of food, I guess I'll see you next time. Bye!